but I think it's so confusing. But on the WNBA side, the top two for me are Superb and Dynamo. They're definitely playing the game. I can see some of them even get featured on YouTube. This is my ultimate, girls that I have. Obviously, I choose what I want, but you don't know yet.
TV. Alam ko na gusto mo yung TV.
Hello, it's Sean. Can you come in here and you don't be wrong on something?
Sean said, you're lucky I ate dinner already. Proving you wrong is a pleasure of mine.
Let me give you guys a background. Sean did not dress. No, you weren't. That was when, like,
It's Stevie.
Pinitoon mo.
that's all I
Skinny jeans is wrong.
Oh, yeah. We'll show them. So, the shoes that I like, that I bought was Queen Scene.
Okay, first of all, sorry, I have to go. Let's just check eBay. Oh, I'm gonna get this. It's so good. When she told me about it, she was gonna get this. She didn't say anything, she just sent a picture. I was like, you gotta stop it right now. Guys, sinasabi ko sa'yo ngayon, this shoe has to be the ugliest colorways I've ever seen my entire life. Sorry, hindi ko lang. I have an artistic view on things, and you know that. You know that. You love me for it.
So, anyways, the shoe is the Sahai, please. Beautiful lacing. Look at that. Double lacing, like. It's a blazer, so the fit is nice and light. And it's a classic colorway.
First of all, guys, the Nike Blazer Silver is famous for
It's nice.
And guys, everything gray and dark gray combined. These are what we call funeral shoes.
Bro, it's
Yeah.
not true.
It's so light. I mean,
Not all.
Sakai is known to artistic.
Yeah, and it's like a stick look.
I have the Sakai waffle, the OG.
Yeah, and I
And it's the
really,
major down.
I want them.
But guys, I just can't wait for the comment to this episode. They should change this to a people kailangan palitan nila yung side. Bakay, laser, no, people, yeah.
Oh my god, that was so bad.
Kaya sinabihan ko sa kanya huwag niya bilhin tayo sa first place. Pero, wow.
This is still.
Kabugalo.
Bro, it looks like Blitz.
Okay, so guys, without further elongation, here we go. Guys, off-white dunks, I mean, I know there are a lot of dunks right now, and Virgil recently released the 50 collection. Are you aware of that?
Yeah, I'm aware. I'm a Nike.
But guys, this is the OG off-white collab with the Nike Dunk logo. First of all, green and orange is
First of all, let me just say,
shoe is alive.
it's alive and it's way too obnoxious. This was a thing. People were selling these, right? You're telling me you're gonna walk out and you're gonna walk around with it clicking on the ground? It's too much. I love the shoe. I love the colors. But when you add this bright neon highlight color, like you're doing too much. Like obviously he had nowhere to go, creative direction, so he just went.
No creative direction.
He was doing too much. He was doing too much.
Sa akin, Blazer no
He was flying off direction. He was falling off to his side. It's the most obnoxious thing I've seen. Right? I have this with all this little extra stuff. Like, the sneakers have been going a little too far.
Right, this
Day for cafe. Makadandruff yan. Head and shoulders every day.
I think it just speaks
Up to 100% dandruff free every day.
I'm not thinking
Head and
I'm just
shoulders.
saying.
Exactly. Why would you lie that? Chill, that's not chill. That's this.
Can you see?
Popping out the hole.
Makes sense. That's why. So there you have it, guys. I hope you learned about sneaker culture and why they have a great sense of humor about it. I'm Winter, and that was
Ang
mine.
secret niya, Eden cheese, na nagpapasarap sa spaghetti. Kaya kumpleto na ang sarap ng Pasko. Kumpletuhin ang saya ng Pasko with Eden.
Magic ang kamay ni Mommy. Pag hinahapis ako sa dibdib, magaan ang pagbubo ko. Dito, mas nakakahinga na po ako. At dito, nababawasan po ang sakit ng ulo ko.
Hindi ito magic. It's Vicks Vapor Up na eucalyptus oil. Ang panuod ng krema para gumaan ang upot sipon. At menthol ang pagkakhawa sa sakit ng katawan at ulo. Para sa ibig ng tulog, Vicks Vapor Up. And try.